You've definitely seen these types of videos pulling in millions of views, ranking across YouTube, TikTok, and even Instagram. Take a look at this channel, Final Galaxy. This channel has uploaded just 180 videos and has already gained over 8 million subscribers. But here's the shocking part. It was created on August 27, 2024. In such a short time, it has completely dominated the platform, with every single video ranking in the millions, and some even in the hundreds of millions of views. And it's not just this one. Another channel, AI Samosa, is making the same type of content, and with only 90 videos, it has already crossed 700K plus subscribers. Then there's Rank Up Universe, a brand new channel with just 60 videos, yet it has already gained 11K subscribers. Now is the perfect time to jump into this niche, but you're probably wondering, is this niche monetizable? The answer is 100% yes, but there are some key steps you need to follow to avoid any issues during monetization. And by the end of this video, I'll also show you exactly how to fix the 0 views problem on your shorts so you can start gaining traction instantly. Before we get started, let me show you a demo video from these channels so you can understand exactly what kind of content we're about to create.
Woo! What happened?
Look, my tongue. Please help me.
The most important part of going viral? A killer video idea. But here's where most people mess up. They pick something random and hope for the best. Going viral isn't about luck. It's about strategy. And the smartest strategy? Don't just come up with a good idea. Find a topic that has already performed insanely well on YouTube. Why? Because the algorithm already has data on it. When you replicate a proven viral topic, YouTube instantly knows your target audience and starts pushing your video next to those bangers. That's exactly how you break out of 0 views or escape the 10K views jail and start getting some serious traction. But hold up, that's just step 1. There are even more crucial things you need to know, which I'll cover in a bit. But first, let's start finding those high-performing video ideas effortlessly with the help of Virlo AI, a tool that analyzes top-performing channels, keywords, analytics, and even posting times to help you dominate YouTube. I've already done a full tutorial on Virlo. I will leave link in the description so that you can watch it. And guess what? I'm launching my own Shorts channel using Virlo and doing a 60-day challenge. If you're in, comment "ready" below. Let's break the algorithm together. When you land on the homepage of Virlo, you'll notice that their interface has had a complete makeover. They've rolled out a big update. So what you need to do is head straight to the Creator Search tab. This is where we crush it. Simply select YouTube. After that, simply head back to the channel Final Galaxy. Now copy their channel handle from here and paste it into Virlo AI. Make sure you select the number of videos you want to fetch. I recommend going with 100 so we get nearly every video fetched here. Once Virlo has fetched all their videos, what I'm about to show you will absolutely blow your mind. As you can see, the virality score is up to 61%, which is an incredible indicator that this niche is perfect for jumping in. So now we're 100% sure that we're picking the right niche. Next, you'll see an option to generate viral video topics in Virlo. This feature gathers data from the top-performing videos of Final Galaxy and comes up with similar topics. But hold on, don't just use these topics as is. Not yet. I'll show you why in a moment. Next up is the most important part, the time graph. According to this graph, you can clearly see that these types of videos get the most traction on Tuesday and Wednesday. So make sure you post your next videos on these days. Trust me, timing is everything. As we move down, we have a list of the top performing keywords. This is exactly what I mean when I talk about breaking the 0 views jail. Use these keywords in your title, description, and tags to get YouTube to push your video. I'm 100% sure you'll see results. Later on, I'll show you how to perfectly use these keywords to your advantage. On the side, there's also a list of the most viewed keywords. These are the terms people are searching for the most on YouTube. We need to create videos around these keywords if we want to go viral. But here's where it gets even better. We now have the full list of all the videos from Final Galaxy right in front of us. So, listen carefully. First, set the filter to virality, then copy the title of the first video you see. Head over to ChatGPT, paste that topic into the tool, and let it work its magic. Next, head back to Virlo. Set the filter to engagement, and again, copy the top video title. title. Paste that into ChatGPT as well. And now, go back to Virlo one more time. Scroll up to the section where we used Virlo to generate video ideas, then copy the topic with the highest score and paste it into ChatGPT. Now, we'll command ChatGPT to blend these three topics and come up with one powerful video topic that combines the best elements of all these viral topics. What ChatGPT will do is give you a perfect topic that merges all the best performing aspects and provides you with your unique and already viral topic. I'll show you in real time. I'll ask ChatGPT to tell me if this new topic outperforms the previous ones and why. You'll see for yourself that this topic beats out the rest, boosting your chances of going viral because it combines the most powerful elements from the best performing topics, ensuring maximum engagement and relevance to your audience. Before anything, it's important to understand the common story patterns these channels use. The first is Spider-Man as the underdog. He gets humiliated, mocked, but in the end, poetic justice flips the script. The second is problem-solving genius. Someone faces a tough challenge, everyone fails to help, but Spider-Man, the underestimated one, finds a clever solution and saves the day. And finally, the superhero girlfriend dilemma. Wonder Woman, Supergirl, and Harley Quinn get into trouble. Other heroes pull off epic rescues, while Spider-Man tries, fails, and gets mocked before coming up with a genius last-minute plan. These aren't the only styles, but they're definitely some of the most popular. By analyzing the patterns of popular channels, these three prompts will help generate a story tailored to your specific topic. They automatically use the proven patterns these channels follow, ensuring that your content aligns with what's already working in the niche. Prompt 1 crafts a short story using the best-fitting themes for your topic, automatically applying these successful patterns. Prompt 2 generates dialogues that reflect the same exaggerated, humorous, and engaging style these channels use, bringing your story to life. Prompt 3 creates image prompts based on the story and dialogues, ensuring the visuals match the same viral style and energy. These prompts will automatically adapt to your chosen topic, applying successful patterns to create viral, engaging content effortlessly. You can access these prompts for free from the prompts channel of my Discord server. I will leave the link to my Discord in the description. Feel free to join. All right, so here's the plan. I'm going to take the first prompt and feed it straight into GPT. This prompt is customizable, so all you need to do is add your video topic into the brackets, the one we created earlier. From there, GPT will automatically analyze the three patterns we provided and generate a story based on one of the proven scenarios. This makes everything super easy. Honestly, I've watched multiple tutorials on this, and they all made it sound way more complicated than it really is. This method is by far the easiest way to get started. Once we have the story, we'll move on to prompt 2. In this step, we won't just use the story as it is. Instead, we'll use it to create dialogues that match the characters' personalities. GPT will write these dialogues so that Spider-Man, Joker, Deadpool, Wonder Woman, and the others sound just like they do in the comics or movies. This makes the story feel more realistic and engaging, with each character speaking and acting in a way that feels natural to them. These dialogues are crucial because they'll help us move on to prompt 3, where we'll generate images that perfectly match these moments from the story. This prompt is also customizable. You get to decide how many images you need, but here's the trick. Don't just pick a random number. You need to analyze the dialogues and figure out how many images are necessary to perfectly align with the scenes. Pro tip: make sure all three prompts are used within a single chat. They're designed to work together, so if you use them in different chats, you might not get consistent results. So guys, now we have the story as well as the dialogues and also image prompts as well, so now we can simply start our content creation. First, we'll start with Voiceover. The AI tool we're using for this is DapDab, and you'll see why shortly. To get started, simply go to the Voiceover tab, then click on More Voiceovers. Here, you'll find hundreds of realistic AI voiceovers to use for your videos. The best part is, DapDab also has animated voices of characters like Joker, Thomas Shelby, SpongeBob, and many others. Now, if you can't find voices specifically for characters like Spider-Man, Venom, or Deadpool, don't worry. You can still use voices that sound similar. For example, for Joker, we already have his voice. But for Batman, you can use Thomas Shelby, because their voices are quite similar. For Harley Quinn, try Sunshine Blondie. And for Spider-Man, you can use a character named Sam. These voices will give you the best, most realistic experience, and the fun part, you can easily search these voiceover artists that I just mentioned by name, which will save a lot of your time. So, just copy-paste your first dialogue into DapDab. Choose the voiceover artist that fits your character, and let's hear it.
Mid? Mid? I saved the city 47 times in one public meltdown and suddenly I'm a walking L. Spider-Man. The human failure city mourns zero progress, zero muscles, and zero coolness. Experts say he's officially mid.
I was gonna be normal today, but then my coffee said chaos first, questions never.
As you can hear, it sounds great. Once you're happy with it, simply click on Export, choose the audio type as MP3, and hit Export again. Your dialogue will be saved. Don't forget to rename each dialogue as Dialogue 1, Dialogue 2, etc. to make it easier to arrange later when editing. But that's not all. If you have voice samples of superhero voiceovers, you can clone those too. Just go to the voice clone feature, upload the sample voice. After that, simply select the language as English, as well as gender and age, depending on your specific superhero, and click on Add to My Voices. That's it. Your voice will be permanently cloned, and you can use it for future voiceovers. Now let's move on to the next step, which is heading straight to a text-to-image tool for image creation. You can use tools like Piclumen AI, Leonardo AI, or CArt. It's up to you to choose the model that gives the best possible results. You can also use all of them and simply download the best images for demonstration. For this tutorial, we'll be using Leonardo AI. First, take the first image prompt generated by GPT and copy it. Next, head over to Leonardo AI and paste the prompt into the input field. Once that's done, make sure to select the image model as Phoenix for the best results. Then, choose the image style as 3D render, especially if you're going for 3D cartoon-style images. After that, click on More and select the 9:16 ratio for your image size. Finally, click Generate and give it about 20 to 30 seconds for the images to be ready. If you don't get the best results on your first try, don't worry. You can simply regenerate the image. Alternatively, you can use other image generation tools to finalize the perfect image. Remember, the goal is to focus on getting high-quality images for your project, as there won't be a need to convert these images into video clips. Once you have all your images ready, along with your dialogues and voiceovers, simply import everything into CapCut for editing, and you'll be all set to create your final content. Now, simply place your dialogues on the timeline one by one, and make sure to properly adjust the dialogues. Remember, we renamed our dialogues during the voiceover part, and that was to ensure that during editing, we can easily place each dialogue in sequence without disrupting the flow or accidentally mixing the dialogues. This will ensure a smooth experience, and after that, you need to place the images on the timeline, but make sure to reduce or increase the length of the images as per the dialogue so that they perfectly sync with each other. Do this for all of the clips. You can take a water break in between, but make sure you arrange everything correctly, because how you actually edit the video will determine whether your video breaks out of 10K views jail or remains stuck at 10K views. Once this part is done, simply head to transitions and play a little bit with transitions. Feel free to drop some good transitions between each clip. There's no limit to what type of transition you can apply. Just play around and use the good ones. After that, to take things to the next level, head to Effects and simply search for 4K effect, and simply drag and drop the effect on the timeline and stretch it across the entire timeline. But make sure to keep its value at around 70 to 80. After that, search for another effect named Clear 2 and drag and drop it on the timeline as well, and stretch it across the entire timeline. Keep its value between 50 to 60. Our video is already looking crazy, but to make it even crazier, we will add sound effects. You can use Pixabay for sound effects. For example, if there's a scene where Spider-Man is shooting web, you can add a web shooter sound effect. Similarly, for a chase scene, you can add running sound effects. Also, for a fight scene, you can add fighting or clash sound effects. This step will add depth to the overall video, making it feel more realistic and cinematic. And finally, you need to add a background music track to your video, but make sure to adjust the volume. You can easily download copyright-free music from YouTube, as I personally use music from YouTube myself. Just ensure that the particular channel allows their music to be used, and at all costs, avoid music from Pixabay, because many people have reported copyright claims after using music from Pixabay. And just like that, our video is also ready.
Spider-Man. The human failure city mourns zero progress, zero muscles, and zero coolness. Experts say he's officially mid.
Mid? I saved this city 47 times and one public meltdown, and suddenly I'm a walking L.
Congrats, Webboy. You just broke the record for most depressing superhero face.
I've been grieving, Tony. My son's gone, my pizza's cold, and I just got ratioed by the Bugle.
Yup, tragic. Now suit up, we're entering rank up rehab.
Level 1, defeat holographic Thanos using this toilet plunger. Good luck.
I hate you, Tony.
Think of it as cardio with trauma.
He's throwing meteors and I have a plunger.
Welcome, Spidey. Today's menu, banana cream kapow.
In the final step, we will upload our video on YouTube with proper SEO to ensure that our video gets traction and appears in the feed after those viral videos. Head to the same chat where you made your entire story, dialogues, and all that stuff. After that, command GPT. I want you to provide me an SEO-optimized title as well as a description for the story you provided me above, along with an SEO-optimized description as well as tags and hashtags in a comma-separated form. Make sure to include these keywords in the title, tags, and description for maximum reach. At this point, head over to Virlo and look at the keywords it suggests. Copy all the tags from the green section and the blue section one by one and paste them into GPT. Also, copy the recommended keywords from Virlo and paste them into GPT. After that, command GPT again. And make sure to avoid using these keywords. Now go back to Virlo, copy the tags that Virlo suggests avoiding, paste them into GPT, and hit enter. GPT will now generate the perfect SEO-optimized title, description, and tags that will help push your video into search results and recommendations. Now copy the video title first and paste it into the YouTube title section. Then copy the description and paste it into the YouTube description section, and then paste the hashtags along with the description as well. After that, make sure to select "No, it's not made for kids," as this is extremely important for monetization, and make sure to tick the altered content option to yes to avoid any issues with monetization. Copy the tags provided by GPT and paste them into the tags section on YouTube, then select the video category as entertainment. And just like that, we've perfectly optimized our video for SEO. Now, about the best upload time, make sure to upload your video between 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. or between 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. for maximum exposure, and upload videos on the specific days suggested by Virlo for the best results. In the final note, there's another viral animal niche blowing up right now. Make sure to watch the video popping up on the screen to learn more about it.